everyone, my name is Gabby and I'm a sophomore here at Loyola University Maryland, and I am from Central Jersey. At Loyola, I am studying communications and media with a double specialization in digital media and journalism. So basically what that means is I have a concentration in journalism, which is the news, and then I also have a concentration in digital media, which includes digital tools and learning how to use things like Adobe and Photoshop, graphic design, things like that. I chose this because I knew I wanted to be involved with the news someday, possibly writing for print journalism or maybe being a broadcaster. And then the digital media aspect of things, I knew I wanted to pick that concentration too because I thought maybe someday I would want to also be some sort of social media coordinator or work for social media teams at news stations. And choosing a major at Loyola, they make it really simple for you. You do not have to declare a major until you're going into your sophomore year. So basically at the end of your freshman year, you will declare your major. And the way that that goes is you go down to academic services, you fill a paperwork out, and you officially declare your major and you start taking more classes that go with that major. So it's very simple process and they're very supportive. And even if you don't know exactly what you want to study, there is definitely something here for you. There's so many different majors. To talk about some things that I am involved in on campus, I'm in Loyola's chapter of Her Campus, which is a national women's magazine. Our personal chapter has 3 groups. We have a social media team, an events planning team, and a writing team where you can write for the magazine. The events planning team plans events for Her Campus, and then the other one is social media coordinating, which is what I am, and we manage and post all of the videos for Her Campus. Something that really stood out to me about Loyola was how beautiful our campus is. It really has this home feel to it while also being this huge, beautiful campus. Also, the amount of events that Loyola has constantly on the weekends and just how many clubs there are here. There's so much to be involved in, and that's something that stood out to me. My favorite part of the Loyola experience so far has definitely been meeting all of these amazing people and forming my own little family here. Just being here at Loyola felt like a brand new home for me, and it felt like I never had to be homesick because there's so many people here that are here to support me, and there's so many different communities that I can be involved in.